Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The last 10 months have been very rough to say the least if you're a stock investor. The S&P 500 index is down 22% year to date, but that isn't representative of the base of the 24 million new investors that have come to the market in the last 2 years. Cardano development lab Emergo will invest over $200 million to support the ecosystem's growth over the next 3 years, founder Ken Kodama said at the sidelines of the ongoing Token 2049 conference. The pound reversed losses and climbed more than 1% as the dollar slipped and investors analysed the Bank of England's dramatic intervention in the bond market.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's annualised housing starts will be released at 0500 hours GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT, Germany's unemployment change at 0755 GMT. Japan's construction orders will be released at 0500 hours GMT, the UK's current account at 0600 hours GMT, the US personal income at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.